How to fix this account might include sensitive content on X or Twitter account. So you might be in this situation where you are trying to view any of the content on Twitter or X, but it says that it may include sensitive content, so you are not being able to view it. Now, even if you move into the settings on Twitter account or Twitter app, you will not be able to find the settings. In this case, what you gotta do is, you have to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site twitter.com. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile icon at the top left corner, scroll down and move into Settings and Privacy. Head over to Privacy and Safety, and then simply move into Content You See. Right here you can see the option of display media that may contain sensitive content. In order for you to fix the issue that you have been facing, all you gotta do is, you have to enable this option right here. Once enabled, now you will be able to see all the content that may include the sensitive content as well. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.